Financial strength isn't about how much you earn, it's about how you manage. Protect and grow the money you already have. Most people think financial success comes from some major breakthrough or big income jump, and in reality, it's built through small, consistent habits practiced daily. In this video, I'm going to share 10 simple habits that can help you become financially strong in 2025 and beyond. Whether you're trying to save more, get out of debt, or simply become smarter with money, these habits will build a strong foundation for a stress-free financial life. The first and most essential habit is to track every single expense. It sounds boring, but it's life-changing. Most people underestimate how much they spend, especially on little things like snacks, streaming subscriptions, or late-night online shopping. When you track your expenses daily, even the small ones, you begin to see spending patterns clearly. Use apps like Mint, Pocket Guard, or even a notebook or Excel sheet. Once you see your spending habits on paper, it becomes much easier to control them. Second, create a monthly budget and actually follow it. Many people set budgets, but few stick to them. A working budget assigns every dollar a job, rent, groceries, savings, fun, and so on. It gives your money purpose. Try the 50-30-20th rule. 50% of your income goes to needs, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings or debt repayment. Even a rough structure like this helps keep your finances in balance and reduces the risk of overspending on things that don't move you forward. Third, pay yourself first. This means saving money as soon as you receive your paycheck, before paying bills or spending anything. Even if it's just $20 or $50 a month, automate that transfer into a savings or emergency fund. You'll quickly build a safety net for unexpected expenses, and your savings will start to grow without effort. This habit is the foundation of financial resilience. The fourth habit is to set specific, realistic financial goals. Don't just say, "I want to save money." That's too vague. Instead, say, "I want to save $1,000 in the next 6 months," or "I want to pay off my $2,000 credit card balance by October." Break down your goals into monthly or weekly targets. When you have a destination in mind, every financial decision becomes more intentional. Another habit that's often overlooked is the 24-hour rule for purchases. If you are tempted to buy something that's not essential, especially something over $30, wait at least 24 hours before making the purchase. This pause gives your mind time to separate want from need. Most impulse purchases lose their appeal the next day. This habit alone can save you hundreds of dollars every year, especially when shopping online. Next, build the habit of cooking at home instead of dining out or ordering takeout. A single restaurant meal can cost 3 to 5 times more than a home-cooked dish. Even simple meals like rice and beans, pasta, soups, or grilled vegetables can save you money and improve your health. Meal prepping for the week or cooking in bulk helps save time and money. This habit can easily save you $100, $300 a month, depending on how often you eat out now. The seventh habit is to review and cancel unnecessary subscriptions every month. From streaming services to fitness apps to software trials, we often pay for things we're not using. Make it a monthly routine to go through your bank statement and cancel at least one thing you haven't used in the last 30 days. You'll be surprised how many small charges add up over time. The eighth habit is to invest time in learning about personal finance. Just 10 to 15 minutes a day spent reading a blog, watching a YouTube video, or listening to a money podcast can drastically improve your understanding of budgeting, credit, investing, and saving. Financial education is the best investment, because once you know how money works, you make better choices automatically. Start with basics like how interest works, how to build credit, or how to start investing. And another crucial habit is to use credit cards responsibly, or not at all. Credit can be a helpful tool, but only if you pay your balance in full every month. If you're using credit for things you can't afford, it's time to switch to cash or a debit card. Interest charges and late fees can trap you in debt quickly. Build the habit of asking yourself, "Can I pay this off in full right now?" If the answer is no, wait. Finally, and perhaps most importantly, practice gratitude and contentment. In a world full of ads, influencers, and endless comparison, it's easy to feel like you're always behind or missing out. But financial strength starts with appreciating what you already have. When you're content, You stop chasing stuff to impress others, and that's where real savings begin. Gratitude makes you more intentional with your money and helps you prioritize long-term peace over short-term pleasure. To wrap it up, these 10 habits are simple, but incredibly powerful. You don't need to change your entire life overnight. Just pick 2 or 3 of these habits and start today. Over time, they'll compound into massive financial progress. Remember, your financial journey is not a race. It's a step-by-step path, and with the right habits, you'll get stronger every day. So, which habit are you going to start this week? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with someone who wants to improve their financial life in 2025. Thanks for watching Mauuak Saving Tips. And I'll see you in the next video, where we'll talk about how to build your first $1,000 emergency fund, even on a tight budget.